A CDC advisory committee voting today to stop recommending the hepatitis B shot for all newborns. Now, the move reverses a public health policy that has been in place for decades. ABC's Olivia Rubin now with the latest.
Today, a major reversal from the CDC, an advisory committee voting to no longer recommend the hepatitis B vaccine for newborns of moms that test negative. The reversal putting an end to a recommendation that has been in place for over 30 years. It was voted on by a panel put in place by HHS Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr., who has long pushed vaccine conspiracies.
It's sad that there are people on this committee who didn't bring up any of the real-world benefits.
Former CDC Chief of Vaccines, Dimitri Daskalakis, resigned from the committee earlier this year.
I think that what you're seeing is ideology supplanting science, conspiracies supplanting process.
He slammed the move, saying it will create confusion.
Access remains the same, but creates doubt, confusion, and will result in more children getting hepatitis B. And ultimately then, getting chronic hepatitis B, 90% of them will if they're infected, and 25% of them will die early.
Republican Senator Bill Cassidy, who voted to confirm Kennedy, also rebuking the decision, writing, "As a liver doctor who has treated patients with hepatitis B for decades, this change to the vaccine schedule is a mistake. The hepatitis B vaccine is safe and effective. The birth dose is a recommendation, not a mandate." Acting CDC Director Jim O'Neill is expected to sign off on the recommendation, which should not affect insurance coverage of the shot. But the recommendation now says vaccine decisions should be made in consultation with a doctor, mainly if the mother tests negative, who can then decide when or if to vaccinate their child for the highly infectious disease. Olivia Rubin, ABC News, New York.